Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how can we post reels or the stories on Instagram through our PC. So let's get started our video. First of all, you have to open your Instagram and log into your account on PC, and then you have to click on the three dots at the top left corner of the page. Then click on it and you will find here an option of more tools. Just click on it and then tap on the developer tool here like this, and you will find here such type of the interface. You have to select the toggle like this, and then such type of the interface will open for you just like the mobile screen. So now you can easily post your reel or the story. You have to click on the dimensions option here and select any of the mobile screen option that you want, like I am selecting this one. And next step is most important, you have to refresh your page at least one time. So go and refresh your page like this, and you will find here an interface which will be as like your mobile screen. So now you have to click on your story option to post any reel or the story, and I am selecting this one, and then just click on the open, and yes, it is uploading successfully. You can easily add stickers or text that you want to add on your post or the reel that you are uploading. You can change the color of your text like this, same as like the mobile phone. So now you have to click on this option, and yes, your story has been successfully uploaded on Instagram. It will take a while, and yes, your story has been uploaded. I hope you all guys like this video. That's all for today video. Please subscribe my channel, let me guide. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.